What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, as some of you know, that springtime has officially come, and today I am going to show you how to make Rice Krispy treats from scratch. And Rice Krispy treats are ideal for bringing a dessert when going out on picnics. So, let's go over what we need. Alright, so Rice Krispy treats are really easy to make. All you need is a stick of some butter, a box of Rice Krispy treats, and you need some marshmallows. So, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, you're going to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in a large saucepan over low heat. Gotta make sure the burner is not too hot and also not too cold, because you gotta make sure it's at the right temperature for melting. So yeah, you're gonna melt this butter in the saucepan, and then you're gonna add 4 cups of marshmallows as soon as the butter melts. Okay, so a majority of the butter has melted, so I'm gonna add 4 cups of marshmallows to this and let it melt. So I just added 4 cups of marshmallows to the pot, so I'm gonna mix them together until the marshmallows are completely melted. Alright, so you gotta make sure that these marshmallows are well melted together. You gotta make sure there are no lumps. As soon as the marshmallows have completely melted, you gotta turn your stove off and add 6 cups of the Rice Krispie cereal. So I just added 6 cups of the cereal, so we're gonna mix them up in this pot. I gotta turn the camera off because I need 2 hands for this. Now, as soon as you got your mixture all completed, you're gonna take some parchment paper, put it on a cookie sheet, and you're gonna spray it down with non-stick spray. Alright, and then after you spray down this sheet, you're gonna pour your entire, what you just cooked, onto the cookie sheet. And then you're gonna stick it in and then you're gonna let them cool until hardened. For best results, you might want to put them in the fridge or your freezer. But make sure you don't put them in the freezer too long or they'll get too hard. Also, you're going to need to be careful when you spread it out on these cookie sheets, because they will stick to your hands like glue. Alright, so these Rice Krispie treats appear to be done. These are how the final product should look like. So I'm going to cut off a piece and I'm going to sample one. Here we go. These are really good. Although they're not ideal because although this isn't the ideal shape, but like what you might find in those packages, but at least you got the idea down. So that is how to make Rice Krispie treats. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.